Quick reading for May the 21st to May the 22nd, Virgo. Your cards are the Magician, the Knight of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. So parang wish granted ito, no? Especially when it comes to the abundance. Abundance may mean different things to different people. Abundance may mean literally money for some. Abundance may mean your peace of mind for some. Abundance may mean the relationship, no? Kung ano man yung abundance na parang iniingatan mo. It felt like yung hiningi mo, whether this is a wish, request, hopefully not a demand, yung aggressive demand. It can be a demand na may lambing, no? Ibibigay, no? It can be something that you just manifested on your thought na, o si person uuwi, o si person, bibigyan ako ng pasalubong, yung ganyan. Yeah, parang ito yung araw that things are manifesting what your heart's desire. So, what I can say here is to please guard your heart, no? Para at least yun yung mag-manifest, no? This is your quick reading for May the 21st to May the 22nd.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.